Hi, I'm Teacher Donna. I'll give you some extra knowledge related to the topics. Wigwams. A wigwam is a domed single-room dwelling used by certain Native American tribes. Wigwams are Native American houses used by Algonquin Indians in the woodland regions. Sometimes they are also known as birch bark houses. Wigwams are small houses, usually 8 to 10 feet tall. Wigwams are made of wooden frames which are covered with woven mats and sheets of birch bark. The frame can be shaped like a dome, like a cone, or like a rectangle with an arched roof. Once the birch bark is in place, ropes or strips of wood are wrapped around the wigwam to hold the bark in place. Wigwams are good houses for people who stay in the same place for months at a time. Wigwams are not portable, but they are small and easy to build. Hiawatha. The poem Hiawatha is written by H.W. Longfellow. The poem is about Hiawatha, a young Red Indian boy who lived with his old grandmother, Nokomis, in a wigwam. She taught him about the wonders around them, like the stars, trees, insects, birds, animals, etc., and he began to love them. Hiawatha. Then the little Hiawatha learned of every bird its language, learned their names and all their secrets, how they built their nests in summer, where they hid themselves in winter, talked with them whenever he met them, called them Hiawatha's chickens. Of all beasts he learned the language, learned their names and all their secrets, how the beavers built their lodges, where the squirrels hid their acorns, how the reindeer ran so swiftly, why the rabbit was so timid, talked with them whenever he met them, called them Hiawatha's brothers. New words. Timid. We should not be timid while appearing for an examination. Secrets. Ninu is whispering secrets to her friend. Swiftly. The rabbit ran swiftly through the bushes. Built. This is a newly built house. Learned. Priya learnt music from her mother.